PMI is for positive material identification, which is used for the stainless steel material. If you do not have the PMI machine, then there is a chances of material mix-up in production that will cost to us in both way. Maybe low grade material will be at higher grade material will be at lower grade. It will affect, then quality deteriorates. If the customers or in process production found that there is some material mix up, then at every stage or any stage we can ask the PMI machine testing, and at any stage of the equipment fabrication we can identify the correct material is used or not. If you do not have the PMI machine, then we have to depend on the external agency. For outsourcing, it will goes to maybe day some planning. Due to the in-house PMI machine, it saves our production time. So PMI is very must in our company.